Meantime, the CDC is making some changes to the timeline for those who got the Pfizer vaccine to get their booster. It comes after criticism over the agency's changing its recommendations for COVID-19 isolation period.
CDC now suggests people who have tested positive to quarantine for 5 days instead of 10. WFXR's Hazel Marie Anderson is live in studio with us this morning with a breakdown. Good day to you, Hazel Marie.
Good day to the both of you. Now, the CDC is trying to clear up some confusion on its new guidance for people who test positive for COVID-19. Tuesday, the CDC officials declined to add testing as a requirement to break isolation. Now, this comes as some public health officials voice concerns over reduced quarantine time. CDC Director Rochelle Walensky says the new 5-day quarantine rule is for people without symptoms. The CDC officials say the changes are in line with evidence showing that people with coronavirus are more infectious in the 2 days before and 3 days after symptoms develop. Dr. Anthony Fauci says the guidelines were updated to reduce disruptions to the workforce. The CDC also said many were not following previous guidelines, with only 25 to 30% of people isolating for the full 19 days. However, Dr. Walensky states even if you do test negative after isolating, it's important to continue wearing your mask in public. As far as the booster, when it comes to Pfizer, the CDC says those who receive the Pfizer COVID vaccine can now get a booster 5 months after the second shot. Now, that's a month earlier than previously recommended. Back to you.
Hazel Marie, thank you. Now, many colleges and employers are asking people who traveled over the holidays to take a COVID test before returning.